How to fix Google Play Store apps not downloading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store apps not downloading on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Play Store and click on it, and now click force stop and then go to storage and then click clear cache. And as you see here you will find clear data. Don't click on it, just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just come back here and click clear data and click OK. You will need to log in again, but that will fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.